DJI Avata2. Find my drone. If the aircraft accidentally falls out of the air during flight, you can use the following methods to find the aircraft. If you can see the flight live view in the goggles, and if the live view is upright, try to take off again and fly it back to the home point. If you can see the flight live view in the goggles and the live view is flipped, enter the goggles menu and select Settings, Control. Use Turtle Mode to flip the overturned aircraft upright. If there's no flight live view in the goggles, connect the USB-C port of the goggles to the mobile device with the USB-C OTG cable and a suitable data cable. Run DJI Fly on the mobile device and select Profile, Find My Drone. The coordinates of when the aircraft was lost will be shown. Tap Use Other Maps to jump directly to the map app for navigation and search. After approaching the approximate location where the aircraft lost signal, if the aircraft's video transmission is reconnected, you can tap Start Flashing and Beeping, and the aircraft will sound beeps to help you locate the aircraft's exact position. In the goggles, you can also make the aircraft beep by selecting Settings, Safety, and then enable ESC beeping. Camera view before loss helps to find the location of the aircraft on the ground by using the cached video of the aircraft 30 seconds before signal was lost. Do not take any unsafe actions when looking for or trying to retrieve a lost drone. Thank you for watching.